Charcoal masks are a popular item on the market right now, but most are loaded with potentially harmful ingredients. We are so excited about Young Living's charcoal mask. It is both a clean formula and effective. Let's jump in and discuss some of the unique ingredients that make up our charcoal mask.
We can't talk about the charcoal mask without mentioning activated charcoal. Our activated charcoal is sourced from China and South Africa. It helps to absorb impurities, naturally purifies and detoxes the skin, and because of its very fine particle size, it has powerful absorptive properties. When activated charcoal is used topically, like in charcoal mask, it attaches to oil and impurities and pulls them out of the skin to bring them to the surface, so you can then wash them down the drain.
So amazing. Now, another key ingredient is the volcanic black sand, which is sourced from Tahiti.
Wow.
Yeah, this sand is formed from the erosion of basalt volcanic rock and helps to gently exfoliate the skin, leaving it feeling soft, radiant, and of course, glowing.
We all love our glowing,
Yes.
soft skin. And we also wanted to touch on the ethically sourced blend of kaolin clays.
Yeah.
We have gray kaolin clay sourced from Spain and white kaolin clay sourced from the United States.
The gray kaolin clay has an extremely rich sulfur content, which helps to control skin imperfections. The white kaolin clay helps to absorb excess oil and impurities without stripping the skin of necessary moisture. This helps to leave the skin feeling matte, soft, and radiant, of course.
Yes, I love learning about these unique ingredients. Now, when you were younger, you might have heard of rubbing oranges or lemon slices on the face to give a brighter complexion. This idea stems from harnessing the AHAs or alpha hydroxy acids from the fruit to give you wonderful skin benefits. We have done that for you. The formula combines alpha hydroxy acids derived from fruits like bilberry, orange, lemon, grapes, sugarcane, and sugar maple to provide a broad range of targeted acids that gently exfoliate the dead skin cells.
Now, exfoliation is so important when you want glowing, smoother complexion, but it is also important to note that there are different forms of exfoliations, like a physical exfoliant that buffs or scrubs away dead skin, and then an AHA exfoliation. AHAs work by dissolving the naturally occurring glue that holds the dead skin cells to the surface of your skin, which makes them really easy to wipe away and rinse down the drain.
Wow, super interesting.
Yeah.
I didn't know there were so many different ways of exfoliating.
Yeah, me either.
Last but not least, we included essential oils in this formula. Of course, we're Young Living.
Yes.
And this formula has peppermint, which provides the cooling sensation when applied topically, thanks to the naturally occurring menthol,
Of course.
main constituent there. And we also included the orange blossom essential oil blend that contains oils like lavender, patchouli, lemon, and rosemary, and it smells amazing.
Oh, so good.
Yes.
Love it. Now, I am obsessed with the smell of our orange blossom products, and if you have smelled it before, you will absolutely love how the charcoal mask smells. But let's talk a little bit about how to use this product. Now, first things first, if you've never used a charcoal mask before, it is so important to know that it's normal to feel a little bit of tingling or experience some of that cooling and tightening sensation. So it's totally normal.
Yes, good to know. Of course, we have peppermint in there, so
Yes.
it makes sense. Now, to start, you are simply going to apply a thin layer of the mask to your freshly cleaned face. So look at how easy it just goes on the skin. The consistency is just so nice.
Oh, it smells so good too. You can smell it as soon as it opens.
Yes, and when you're applying, try to avoid the eye area, nostrils, and lips. Then you'll allow the mask to harden for 5 to 20 minutes, and the mask will change colors when it's hardening. So
I love that.
you'll notice that once it hardens, it's going to change color, and then you simply rinse away the mask using warm water, or you can even do like a warm washcloth.
And then also we want to make sure that you guys remember to finish up your skincare routine with your serums and your moisturizers. It's so important to make sure you don't forget that step, because traditionally masks in general make your skin pretty dry. So you just want to make sure that you're moisturizing.
Absolutely. So we advise that you only let the mask settle for 5 to 10 minutes, or simply use it as a spot treatment.
Perfect. So such a great idea. You can use the mask 1 to 3 times a week, and we are sure that you guys are going to love this product. I'm so excited to add this into my weekly routine.
Yes, a must have. So order it now to have it on hand for your next girls' night, maybe just an evening of self-care,
Oh, love
or
that.
simply to add it to your regular skincare routine.
Now, let us know in the comments below if you are excited to use the new charcoal mask by Young Living. Thank you so much for joining us.